Hey, how's it going, everybody? Good to see you there. I know it's been a while since I uploaded my uploaded videos. So there's a couple of good reasons for that. So the one, I had the annual done for the airplane. So annual maintenance this time wasn't really all that crazy, not super expensive, but it's what you would expect for almost a 40-year-old airplane. And two, we have a cool avionics upgrade done for the airplane. I am excited to show you, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get inside and let me show you. Check this out. So that's right, so we now have dual Garmin G5s here, not just one but two. So one, we have the traditional PFD, primary flight display, and we also went with the HSI, horizontal situation indicator. I believe you can switch displays on both, but although I'm not sure, I'm pretty much seeing this for the first time myself. Alright guys, I'm super excited to fly today, take the airplane out for a spin. Can't wait to check out the dual Garmin G5s. And also let's go up in the air. I'll talk a little bit more about the annual, and if you're interested, I can tell you how much it costed us this time. So last year I made a video of how much the annual costed for the previous 5-6 years of Grumman ownership, and I can tell you how much this 2021 annual costed. Alright, I'll see you guys soon.
Tower information whiskey 1453 Zulu, wind 260 at 5, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature 22, dew point 12, altimeter 3009er. Visual approaching use, landing and departing runway 21 left, runway 21 right is closed. Notice the airman, runway 21 right is closed, taxiway Alpha south of Lima is closed.
November 7 Romeo Victor, no delay, exiting back taxi, runway 21 right, contact ground point 6.
Hey, well, back taxi 21 right, we'll hustle.
No, continue, make your right turn, continue your right turn. I want you to go down the parallel runway.
I'm sorry, we'll do a 270 here. What do you need us to do now?
Exit the runway.
Okay.
There are a couple more landings before I can take off.
November 68 Romeo Delta Peace Tower, no delay, make a right turn northbound. Runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, 21 left, clear for takeoff, 6 Delta, no delay. Alright, okay, the airspeed alive. So we're on the right side, fuel pump on, texture rich. 60 knots, rotate.
November 109 Tango Juliet, frequency change approved to the northeast.
Frequency approved, Tango Juliet.
Turn right to the north. 85 knots. Everything's looking good. Oil pressure looks good. Turn the fuel pump off. Landing light off. Strobes on. Nav lights on. Coming up. On my heading.
November 6 Romeo Delta, frequency change approved to the north.
Frequency change approved to the north, 6 Romeo. Thank you. See you. We're a little bit left out the course.
Alright, Gamma Jet 862 is off at Foxtrot, holding short of 21 right.
Pull up to 21 right, contact ground point 6.
Okay, pull up to the hold short line and ground point 6, Gamma Jet 862.
Region 4500. We're going to be intercepting that soon. We're going to be intercepting our track soon. And once we're there, we can
So 352. So we have the altitude set up. On the heading mode, oil pressure looks good, fuel pressure looks good. So maybe I can. So I'm super excited that we have the two new dual G5 systems. So previously we used to have a vacuum system which failed on a routine. So in our 7 years of ownership, it failed at twice. So which doesn't really give you much confidence in the vacuum system. Seems to be working pretty good so far. So I have not tested everything, but it seems to be working good so far. Actually a pretty beautiful day today, but you can see a bit of a haze layer there. So the visibility, I would say maybe around 8 miles or 9 miles, so not bad. Alright, so we're about 11 miles out to Jasper. Let me make it right now. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 10 miles to the south, inbound Pickens. So I can kind of see the airport pretty much right in front of me. So let me turn off the autopilot. So maybe I'll do a straight into runway 34 if traffic is not an issue. Well, the ground speed on the G5 says 6 miles per hour. That's something I have to somehow change it. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, about 6 miles to the south. We'll do a straight into runway 34 if traffic is not an issue. Alright, this is a very cool airport and I love flying into this airport. It has beautiful mountains, surrounded by beautiful mountains here. I don't see any traffic. I didn't hear anyone. So you can turn landing lights on, fuel pump. Turn the fuel pump on. Make sure fuel pressure is good. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 3 miles straight into 34 Pickens. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, 1 mile final to runway 34 Pickens. knots.
Traffic not available.
Pickens County traffic, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, back taxiing runway 34 Pickens. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, clear of runway 34 Pickens.
It's a beautiful airport. I don't know if you can see the beautiful mountains in the distance. It's a pretty airport to fly in during fall. There's another Grumman there.
Pickens traffic, Tower 38 Charlie, clear the runway, Pickens.
Pickens County traffic, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, departing runway 34 Pickens. Full range. Takeoff. So we just took off from the, just got some gas, cheap gas, and took off from the Pickens County Airport. So far I'm loving these two devices here. They're pretty cool.
Final 24 full stop. US.
Love the HSI. Used to have an HSI. I was doing an instrument training and Cessna 172, so I miss it. So you don't have to constantly go back and forth on different devices here. So the overall annual went pretty good. We thought that no big surprises. It costed about $2,600, which is very reasonable for where we are. So apart from the basic and the minimal stuff, we also new tail cone installed. I don't know the cost of that. And in addition to that, we have two G5s installed. So we're still waiting on the final invoice on that. So I don't know what the total cost of the two new G5s. So another exciting news is APA is offering a Grumman Tiger as the next sweepstake airline, which is super exciting. I've been a long time APA member, about I would say 10 years, pretty much all my flying career. And I think it is a pretty cool organization. They're doing pretty cool. I wouldn't mind having another Tiger. So I'm sure the Avionics would be super jacked and not in anywhere close to what we have here. So now we have pretty close to a decent IFR platform on this. Alright guys, let me switch to PDK real quick and get weather.
Yeah.
PST Tower, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta with information X-ray about 11 miles to the northwest.
66 Romeo Delta, ident.
Ident for 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, pretty direct, runway 21 left.
Say direct to 2 on left, 6 Romeo Delta. Guys, I see 2 on left right there. Pretty hazy. But we have, we're about 7 miles, we have a pretty good view of the runway, so maybe the visibility may be close to 10 miles.
6 Romeo Delta, keep speed up to final runway 2 on left, clear to land.
2 on left, clear for land. 6 Romeo Delta will keep the speed up.
Pastry Golfing 111 Charlie, Quebec, on the right base, runway 2 on left.
B2 Tower, helicopter 3 Bravo. Helicopter 3 Bravo Zulu, please stand by. I'm working out a sequence here in the air. I understand you want to go northwestbound. Just stand by, please. Roger. 6 Romeo Delta, turn right at 34 if able. 6 Romeo Delta, make a right turn on Delta, contact ground point 6, right turn Delta or 34.
Right on Delta, contact ground 6 Romeo, thank you. Ground Grumman 6 Romeo Delta on taxiway Delta, headed to the north ramp.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, Peachtree ground, cross runway 2 on right, continue to the north ramp.
Cross 2 on right, continue to north ramp 6 Romeo. I was about to, I was in the landing flare when tower gave instruction, so I was not ready to follow that as I'm busy landing. So that's as a pilot in command for the ultimate response. Alright, that was a pretty good flight.
111 Charlie.
And I hope to make more videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.